Hello, today we are looking at the interactive driver display for the Jaguar I-Pace. This is all done via the left side of the steering wheel, just here. You've got the scroller. You can press that in, that'll activate the menu button, and then you can go left or right. So without further ado, let's check that out. So first of all, we've got display. So you can really tailor the area inside here. You can have 2 dials, 1 center dial, and so on. And I'll just show you how that works. So if I get the menu up, I go to the left side of the screen. I can have that for media or the driver assistance. So if I select that and then close the menu, you can see now this left side of the screen is set up for driver assistance. So this is where you go to customize the car really. So let's put that back to off. There we go. If I go down, I've got the right side. So here I have the map, trip summary, or I can just turn it off. Display layout. So you can have 1 dial like we've got already in the center of the screen. I can then go for 2 dials like you get in the saloon cars or the E-Pace and F-Pace. Or I can go for the full map, or just show me the full map rather than any dials whatsoever, but you still do get the information at the bottom of the screen there. So let's take that away and then go through the next option, display layout, and then you got media and driver assistance. I'm just going to go for the 1 dial, back to the original. Come out of that, you got units and then language. The next option is vehicle settings. So you can see the passenger airbag, the security features, exterior lighting. So let's look at security features. It tells you about the alarm sensors. It tells you about the lock warning, 2-stage locking and driveway locking. Exterior lighting, this is where you see auto high beam information, driving side, and the headlight delay when getting out of the car. Convenience features, reverse dip, that can be quite good, can be annoying at the same time actually. So your left mirror will dip down to see the curb so you don't scrape your wheel. Global open and close, that is where you can open the windows with your key fob. Press and hold the unlock or lock button and the windows will go up and down, and that is standard on any Jaguar, okay, as long as it is the XE, XF and the newer shape, and I believe that's 65 plate onwards for the UK. Wiper settings, and that's convenient features. So let's go back up and see what else we have. Vehicle info, so you can see all the warnings of the car, the tyre information, the tyre pressures, when did the alarm last go off, and even the VIN as well. You can also see the media, the source. You can find stations and band in terms of DAB, FM, AM. You can also do that from the main display area as well. And I do believe that is about it. Driver assistance is the last one. You've got collision avoidance, emergency lane keep assist, steering wheel assistance, and a few other options as well. But that's what the interactive driver display has to offer. I believe it's a £500 option for your normal Jaguars such as the XE, XF, E-Pace and F-Pace. The I-Pace, it's standard. So yeah, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Before I go, I'll just quickly explain what you actually see here. If I shut this menu down completely, in the center here you've got your speedo. Next to that, traffic sign recognition. Then you've got your mileage, and then the actual bar there saying it's full. And you can change the bottom right area as well, average miles, charge, and things like that. When the car's actually on, you can see the charge and also the power. You see the seat belts at the top there as well, and it does the seat belt and temperature just there. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be back with more. Thank you very much. All the best.